The spoilers for Black Clover chapter 316 is out pretty early this time, and they look damn good. It might also mark the end of the Spade Kingdom arc, and if it actually does, then a question arises. That is, will this also end the Black Clover manga? Now, hold on. Don't start abusing me. Let me say why I think so. I'm saying this cause there has been no news of the anime's return so far. And the thing about Black Clover revealing something in the upcoming Jump Festa, rest assured, it's not about the anime's return or anything. It's just about the movie, about which I'm excited too, but the hype would have been even greater if they had said something about the anime's return. I don't know if you have heard about this, but there has been a rumor going around for a pretty long time. That is, Yuki Tabata saying Black Clover being as long as One Piece. And man, I gotta say, even without knowing if it's true or not, it got my hopes up. I'm saying the manga might end because I don't know if you all know this, but in the recent months, the sales for the Black Clover manga has gotten pretty down. But wait, just because a manga isn't doing good doesn't mean it's gonna end or get cancelled. Cause you never know when it gets a sales spike in the upcoming months and starts to break records. So let's have faith in Yuki Tabata. Oh, and before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. So yeah, without further delay, let's see what we have got. Fearless! The chapter begins with Lucifer growing in size and sucking Yami inside, while the mages outside the castle are just hanging in there waiting for someone to save them. And I have to say, for a moment there I thought this is it for Yami. But the next page changes everything. You have Asta and Levi discussing something, and right after that, the moment the two brothers were waiting for. Asta to save Captain Yami and Levi to avenge Lysita. They together swear that they are not gonna let Lucifer out no matter what. And moreover, the 30 minutes interval is already up, so we know what's gonna come next. Yup, just as we expected, Asta and Levi fuses together into their union mode. And they say, we were not chosen by any mana, but that's exactly the reason why we must choose for ourselves. And damn, just look at the page. Imagine if this gets animated. Yeah, imagine. Dude, I mean, just thinking about it is giving me the chills. Coming back to the chapter, Asta is seen using a spell that resembles Yami's Dimension Slash, except the name of his spell, or rather technique, is Infinity Slash Equinox. And unlike Yami's Dimension Slash, Asta can choose his target. What I'm trying to say is, unlike Yami's Dimension Slash that destroys everything in its path, Asta's Infinity Slash can choose whom to attack. And that's the reason why his technique did not harm William and Yami, despite going right through them. After slicing the worm in half, Yami and William are set free from the grasp of Lucifero. The mages outside the castle could finally lift their heads again, while Mereoleona and Figolion are astounded. And so is Nacht. But one question still remains, that is, are they gonna be alright? Cause those cracks on their face does not really give a good vibe. And the chapter ends with both the captains of Black Bulls praising Asta for his work. Not much to say about it, and as soon as the translations are out, you will be getting detailed review for this chapter. So do stay tuned for it. Oh, and wait, make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave.